Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fine and good. Now we will continue our class today. Fourth class, term 1, social. Our first lesson name is Life in the Mountain. We will explain this in previous class. Now we will continue next part. We will complete Himalayas, Greater Himalayas, Middle Himalayas and Outer Himalayas. Today we will explain life in the region. Life in the region means how people live in mountains, Himalayas, how they are living and how they are crop in land and how they are eating food and how they are watching and how they are work. Everything we can see now here. Life in the region. Farming is the main occupation of the people of this region. Due to lack of flat land, farmers cut flat steps or terrace along the mountain slopes to grow crops. This kind of farming is called step or terrace farming. Rice, maize, barley, lettuce and potatoes are cultivated in this manner. Some people also engage in sheep rearing, weaving and wood carving. See here all of you. In this region, terrace farming is famous. Terrace farming is famous. See, you will see here. This is the terrace farming. We can call it is terrace farming, which flat land will be crops. In this region, main occupation is crops. Main occupation is farming. Main occupation is farming and flat steps are terrace along. We can call it is flat steps are terrace farming. Terrace farming. This kind of farming is called step. This kind of farming is called step or terrace farming. In this region, rice, maize and barley, potatoes are cultivated in this region. In this region, see here we are looking very nice. This is looking very nice like steps. We will walk on these steps also. Next. In this region, sheep rearing also wood carving and this some people also engage in sheep rearing and weaving the wood carving. We will use wood also. What is wood? Wood means trees will be give for use wood. Next. Ladakh lies in the Himalayas and the Karakoram range. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and parts of West Bengal and Arunachal Pradesh fall in the Himalayan region. The northeast region of Purvachal Hills include the northeastern states of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. See here, Ladakh, Himalayas, Karakoram ranges and Jammu and Kashmir. These states, this will be states having Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and parts of West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh. This region will be come from these states. This Himalayas flows these states along Arunachal Pradesh and northeast region of Purvachal Hills. Northeast side will be having Purvachal Hills. Include states of Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. Jammu and Kashmir is famous for apples and saffron. Men and women wear a long woolen kurta like garment called the pirhin with salwar khawa. A special type of tea is very popular. Jammu and Kashmir. We will explain now Jammu and Kashmir people how to live and what is famous in Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir, apples and saffron are famous. Men and women wear long kurta like garment called pirhan salwar. Khawa is a special tea of the special type of tea is very popular here. Next, Ladakh is known for its beautiful serene and barren mountain. Men wear a thick woolen robe called guncha. Women wear a similar robe called kontop. They also wear colorful shawls. In their region, they use colorful shawls. The double-hampered camel is only found here in India. Double-hampered means camel is there only, not other side. The Zanskar Valley, Pongang Lake, and Leela place are a few places of tourist interest. In this area, some tourists also will be come, and so many colorful shawls will be famous in this state. Now next, Himachal Pradesh is known for its natural beauty, hill station and apple orchard. Many rivers flow through the state. Handcrafts and woolen shawls with colorful design and patterns are famous. In this Himachal Pradesh region, natural beauty is there, hill station and apples also famous. In this, many rivers flow in this Himachal Pradesh state. Handcrafts, woolens, we will use handcrafts, woolens and shawls. Colorful designs will be there in pattern of shawls are famous. Men wear an embroidered cap called kullu topi or kullu cap. Kullu topi or kullu cap. Hill stations such as Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu and Manali are very popular. Very popular. Kullu topi or Kullu cap also very popular, and Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu and Manali are also very popular. Okay, students, we'll continue this topic in next class. Okay, I hope you will understand today's topic. Your homework is write down 10 states name, homework one time. 10 states name, homework one time. Okay, thank you, students.